Oh shit, what happened? Oh, what's this? Oh shit, there's like... I don't know. Let's navigate the area. Oh, food! Nice! Finally, we have food. Wait lang. Kailangan natin to for future purposes. Okay, we need to get this. This. Okay. Dahil malaki na lugar. Okay. Kailangan pa natin humanap ng mga pagkain. May shield naman tayo, kaya we're good for, ano, we have wood pa naman, di ba? Yeah. Ito. Okay, I think that's kind of a block. Uy! Ooh. We need to find a base. Oh, shit. Hello! I'm home, family. Yes, little brother. I'm home. So let's find another... What the frick? Ganda ng flower na to ba yun? I think it's better if sa taas tayo pumunta. Also like, ay water supply dun sa kapila. So, yeah. Kunin mo yan. Ba't ko na ayaw kunin? Huwag kang magagabi muna. Ang aga-aga pa. Okay. Let's go. Okay, we have a lava. Did I lag? Oh! Damn, that's a structure. Should we navigate this pa? This is gonna be a good idea to navigate this place. Baka kasing may ano dito eh. Oh shit, punang zombie doon, no? Hayop na yan. Oh no. Ay, kunin mo natin to. Ginagawa nito dito. Pa tayo sa taas.